Hi friends, it's me your host, Animator. I know, everyone needs views and likes in their videos, subscribers in their channel. But this is not an easy task.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
Today, I will show you a trick. By this trick, you can now easily get subscribers, likes and views.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल.
So, I will request you to see the full trick. Because, if you skip the video you cannot use the trick properly. Brother and sisters, if you don't see the full video, how can you understand? Then you will tell my tricks don't work. So don't skip. So, without wasting your time, let us go to my mobile screen, just after intro. You can search anything. For example, search how to get 1000 subscribers. Then, you have to click Generate Tag. Wait a bit. Then there may come some ads. You will just skip the ads. So now you can see the tags. The first top 3 tags are on trending. There are hundreds of tags here. You just have to use this in your video description box. Then, if you make video on gameplay or something, then just write it in the search bar. For example, PUBG gameplay. Wait a bit for the tags. Skip the ads. Now you can see many tags here. But, remember that, you have to use the big tags in your video description box. You can write at first, your queries in the description box and then write the big tags. And the small tags in your video tag section. Now, you all are thinking that, where you can find this application. Don't worry. The link is in the description. Now go and download the application from Play Store and viral your videos. So friends, by using this application, you can gain subscribers, views and likes. But the matter of fact is that, don't try to use unnecessary tags. If you do then, YouTube may ban your channel. So be careful, before using tags. So, friends, give a like, if you have come up to this. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And also give your opinion in the comment box. Okay, goodbye friends. See you all with a new trick very soon.